guys, it's install day again, and today we are going to install a synthetic winch line from Masterpull. Check these guys out on Instagram. On my specific winch, which is a Badland, I just have the basic metal cable. That Magneto JL Diesel, he's going to be helping me with the install, be the guinea pig for this whole thing. You know, house foreigners are pulling out Jeeps, so we're going to get this thing going. Stick. You all know it's true. Right? Finally, metal cable's gone. All right, guys, so you can tell right off the bat the difference between having a synthetic winch line and this metal winch line. And if you want to go ahead and take a look right over here, that's just kind of what happens over time with these things. First time ever using it, immediate slice on my finger. So you always make sure you want to wear some gloves. All right, guys, so I'm just taking off the old winch cable. So to do that, you have to get it all the way inside here, and there's a little bolt that you just loosen up, and it's gonna release this crappy metal cable. There we go. There we go. And now that's done. Their winch puck actually just slides back, allowing you to go ahead and put in the soft shackle. So you're fully synthetic rigged up. The soft shackle is rated for 50,000. The rope itself is actually rated for 23,000. The winch line has this protective sleeve on it, protects it from heat. So it's just that extra little bit that's gonna go into the line. All right, so we're gonna feed the fair lead. All right, now that I just got kind of on there, I'm just gonna by hand twist this around right there. Just gonna go ahead and tighten down that bolt. And the way we're gonna do this is to get this rope nice and snug on there. We're actually gonna hook up to Magneto's Jeep back there, just to get the tension. And we're just gonna keep him in neutral, and we're just gonna pull it forward and making sure this ravels up nice. All right, so before I actually wasn't paying attention, so just make sure you're always careful when you're respooling this. I actually had it flipped the other way. So when I was pushing out, it was going in and vice versa. So I went ahead and flipped it around, but now it's all ready to go if you want. More unique features of Masterpull is their signature puck. Personally, it's one of my favorite things about this setup. It eliminates any steel shackles, anything heavy really from your line. So and how this works, you stick this pin through, you grab your rope, through, and there we go. And it just attaches like that. So when it's not in use, it's like this on your fair lead. When it is in use, it comes back. So super lightweight, super cool. It's simple. If anything were to break, I feel like this is much safer. So, eliminating any steel shackles or anything like that. We're going full synthetic Superline soft shackle. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna feed this past the winch puck, and we can go through, we can go to the out here, but let's go and go through on Magneto's winch bumper here. And there you go. It's ready to go. hooked up to Magneto's Jeep over there, and we grab a little bit of tension on the rope, and then we're going to just kind of spool it in, make it all nice, and just kind of move slow with it. So here we go.
Don't get run over.
I kind of lost track of the Jeep there for a second, so it's a little closer than I wanted to do, but we are safe to unhook this now. Take off the shackle and just do the rest by hand. Puck's ready to go. That's it. There you go, guys. Masterpull Synthetic winch rope with the Masterpull puck. I like it. Now check this out. They actually have a really nice fair lead. So this orange one is definitely coming off. If you want to get a little closer, you can actually see my cable messed up the fair lead on this. Take a look at it. I mean, it's fully gashed in there. So, really excited. Masterpull's, I'm getting that fair lead, so we'll be putting that on. So another benefit on the actual rope itself is the thimble is actually larger than any of the metal cables that you're gonna see out there. So you can get more things around it. It's just more useful. I'm using this as an example because we already got this put in, but it's pretty much the same exact size. Going all the way across. This thing is awesome, and how long it took me to hook up to his bumper was like this. With the winch puck sliding back so easily, all I did was loop it through. I like it's all synthetic. There's no metal hardware, nothing that's gonna come flinging back at me. Really like how this setup works. It's a nice low pro look with it right here on the puck. When I get that new fair lead on here, it's gonna look great. But shout out to Masterpull. This has been awesome. Check them out. I'm going to leave links in the description. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time. So, as you know, Magneto's always getting stuck everywhere he goes.
Nice.
He's in a Jeep. That's what Jeeps do. So when a 4Runner like myself comes along, we need to winch his ass up.
Remember, guys, it's just a simulation.
These 40s are just for show. Actually pull this thing out on a real trail with you. You like that, don't you?
Lies again.
You can run the brittle. Alright, what up, guys? Install day again. What am I... Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed this through the hole. I'm going to put it in to the hole. The brittle to your winch line. You know what I forgot to do?
What's up, guys?
No, I forgot to put it through here. Maybe you should,
What? It's supposed to pull the truck.
It's pulling my truck forward.
Try it?
No, well I got my parking brake on, dude.
This should be moving. Go ahead, go.
Are you sure it's in neutral?
It's in neutral.
I don't think it's in neutral. You're pulling my whole fucking shit.
Hey, it's a Jeep. It's a Jeep 140. What do you expect?